Hey guys, we're back. After doing a little research last week for Earth Day, we came across this other kind of solar oven using a Pringles can to cook a hot dog. So Aurora's going to put that together for us today. Go ahead and tell us what we need.
We need a Pringles can. We need a wooden dowel. We need tape, plastic wrap, and a raw hot dog.
And a razor cutter.
Yes, a razor cutter.
Something to cut the Pringles can. So
you can cut the Pringles can.
Pringles can's a little harder to cut than a pizza box. So I went ahead and cut this rectangle out for Aurora. Would you show everybody? Hold the can up, please. So that's a rectangle I cut out of the back of the Pringles can. The inside of the Pringles can is already foil, so it's shiny. So that's part of the solar oven process that we need.
You also need to poke a hole on the bottom big enough for the wooden dowel, and on the lid, the wooden dowel.
Now when I poked a hole in the lid, it cracked a little bit, and the bottom is made of a stronger metal, so it's a little bit harder to poke. So I definitely would recommend adult help with this one.
Adult help, or if you can do it, you really think you can do it yourself, adult supervision.
Okay, go ahead and assemble our solar oven.
Okay.
So what we learned last time was we need something to hold the, you need something to hold the heat in. You got to cover that hole.
Oh yes, with this.
So put the plastic wrap over that rectangle you cut out. That's too much plastic wrap. Plastic wrap is your weakness.
Yes, it is.
Bring the box closer to you and you'll have an easier time cutting it.
But I mean, better too much than too little.
Well, it'll be harder to tape on though if you have too much.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, you really only need enough plastic wrap to cover that tiny rectangle. She's wasting my plastic wrap.
Sorry.
But I guess if she overlaps it, then it'll stick to itself. Maybe it'll be easier to tape on. Okay, go ahead and get yourself some tape and start attaching it.
1 second. Ooh.
And again, my regular tape is at school, and we couldn't find the masking tape right now, so she's using packing tape, which is not easy.
No, it's really not.
And don't cut your fingers on the little bleed.
That's what I'm trying real hard not to do right now.
I got Jasper and Binks in the frame.
Hi guys. Okay, there.
Okay, you're pretty sealed. Not gonna get any bugs, and you're gonna trap that heat in. Okay. Now, what I think might be the challenging part is putting that dowel through that hot dog. So you don't have to use a dowel, but you have to use some kind of stick that's going to be long enough to go all the way through the Pringles can. If someone has a knitting needle that's that long and they aren't using, you can go ahead and wash it and stick it through. Yep, back up and put it through the middle. You're not going to get a job at hot dog on a stick. Pull it out and put it back through correctly.
Can't. We're just gonna like.
Well, there you go.
There.
Making corn dogs is not in my daughter's future.
Nope. Hopefully solving crime.
Oh, you got to put it all the way through. You need the dowel sticking out. You need the hot dog in the middle. I also recommend you wash your hands before doing this activity,
Yes.
so you don't get dirty stuff on your food. Okay, it's going to stick out the bottom end.
Can I get it to the hole? Hi. Nope. Sorry. Come through.
Okay. Go ahead and show us the end where the dowel is sticking out. We can't see through your hand. There we go. So now we can see that end. Now put the cap on. This dowel should be sticking out that end too. Now, after our experience with the last solar oven, I highly recommend that if you have a dog, your dog is not in the same place that your solar oven is.
Yeah.
Last time he ate our s'mores, including the chocolate bar. He's obviously sitting right there and he is healthy and fine, so it worked out okay.
Goodness for that.
Please stack everything up so it doesn't blow away in the breeze. And then let's go set our solar oven on the table in the sun.
Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.